What's the meaning of computation? Computation. Computation.
Computation. Computation. Computation refers to the process of performing mathematical calculations or logical operations using a computer or other electronic device. The term can also apply to the overall concept of computing, which involves developing algorithms and software that enable computers to perform useful tasks. Computation can result in a variety of outcomes, including the generation of numerical data, the solution of complex problems, the simulation of physical phenomena, and the development of new insights into scientific or mathematical concepts. Ultimately, computation helps us to better understand and interact with the world around us.